You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
At different points in their lives, these actresses married the same men, which posed a lot of concerns about the men's fidelity when they were married to their previous spouses. Hollywood actress Tony Abraham and Oluwaseyi Edun were married to the same men at different times before. After they met on the 2013 film set, Toyin and Amy Johnson got hitched in July 2013. As they divorced in 2015, their marriage did not last. Adeniyi Johnson found love in another actress, Oluwaseyi Edun, that same year that he divorced Toyin. In an interview with Saturday Beat, amid online reports that his wives were once at loggerheads, Segun Ogbude said he has a very peaceful household. Segun, the nephew of the late actor and filmmaker Akin Ogunde, who had 20 wives and 50 children, also debunked the story that he had married two best friends. Both Nollywood actresses Doris Simon and Stella Damarcus have a bone of contention between them since they were married to the same man at different times in their lives. Initially, Doris Simon was married to Daniel, a producer and director, and they had a son from the union. Their marriage dissolved in 2013, and rumors that Daniel was going out with Stella Damarcus was rife in 2014. Later, as husband and wife, they admitted being married.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.